As I've mentioned in the previous lesson, we will install one more thing, which will be a code editor here, and we'll be using brackets throughout this course. You can search it by simply googling brackets. The first link will be brackets, a modern open source code editor. And if we click on that, it will get us to the web page. And here it's the same steps. We will just click this download button and wait until it's downloaded. This editor is available for every platform, and we basically need a code editor because we are using Python to configure our bot. At one point there will be a graphical user interface, but as of now there is none. So we have to use a code editor to make sure that the formatting of our file is correct. Once the download is finished here, we will again just click it to install it. And it's basically the same process as with Chrome and Python here, so we will just go through the installation. It's very simple. As before, I'm on macOS, so I will just drag it into my applications folder. And it's again asking me because I've already installed it, so I will just replace it. And once again, we can check if everything works by just spinning up the tool once and looking if it starts and if there are no error messages. As you can see here, it started successfully and we are now able to get ready with InstaPy.